Hey! Hey! Hey!
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the next episode of the Women's Fishing Network, brought to you by Ghost to 11 Media. I am your Tuesday host, Amanda Weeb. You can find me on Instagram at Wild Girls Alberta, and we are out on the wonderful Wabamun Lake. I couldn't stay off the ice, let's be real here. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. The sun is shining behind me, as you can see. And we are going to do our absolute best to enjoy some last ice today and hook into hopefully any species that we can find, probably some pike and walleye. So stay with me while I get set up and get ready to go. All right, as per my usual, I'm going to start the morning off with something loud. So I'm going to throw on this Fire Tiger rattlebait by Rapala and see what we can stir up. Stirred up some weeds. Not operating with a ton of depth here, probably in about 3 or 4 feet of water, but we're going to start here and work our way out. Yeah. No luck on the rattlebait, so I'm going to swap out to a chartreuse tube jig, dance that little bad boy around. It's beautiful and sunny today, but there's definitely some biting wind, dropping the temperatures a little bit. It's tough on the hands, that's for sure. Right on, Dad. Right on. That, ladies and gentlemen, if I can corral this guy. That was on the Fusion Extreme by Lucky Bug. Oh. Come here. A nice juicy walleye. Look at that guy. Ooh. Cool. He's going back. Woo! Yeah. Back. Oh. It is gusty today. It's pretty frustrating. The tent keeps trying to blow away. So we've moved spots a couple of times. We keep finding really weedy bottom, so we're trying to find something that's got kind of a nice transition from weeds to sand or silt. We haven't had a ton of luck so far, but we've caught a couple walleyes out of the weeds, so we're just gonna keep on cruising and try a couple new spots if we have to. But yeah, just trying to stay out of the wind for now is quite cool. So here we go. So the bite's continuing to be pretty slow. We did just have a monster pike come through our area. He bit onto my dad's hook, but he spit it. So I'm probably going to hang out in this area for a couple more minutes and hope that big guy comes back. yeah, we're just gonna keep moving, keep grinding, keep slaving, and hope that we get into a couple more fish. A little unorthodox, but we'll take it. Easy. And that, guys, was on a getting hooked lures spoon. Holy man, look at my hair. I look crazy. Look at that, guys. Just an absolutely beautiful walleye. Woo! We're gonna put this guy back. So this is the most active hole we've found so far. We've had a couple walleye come through, that monster pike, which, I mean, we're really hoping will come back. And I just had a pretty decent walleye, so probably gonna stick around this area for a little while. We seem to have found maybe a little bit of a highway for them. I'm going to drill some holes in the area and fan out a little bit and see if we can hook into a few more. Yeah, we're pretty happy right now. Juicy little guy. Come here. You're fine. Woohoo! That getting hooked lure spoon is just cranking them today. So it seems to just be a walleye day. We haven't seen really any pike other than that monster that my dad had on the line briefly. Usually by now we will have seen some swim through at the very least. But yeah, just absolutely nothing. Just strictly walleye. Not that I'm complaining, I like catching walleye. But yeah, just strange behavior, that's for sure. But we're just going to keep moving around and keep looking for the fish. Kind of been catching like one fish per set of holes. Not a great average. We're used to some pretty active days out here, but still just beats sitting at home on the couch. So I'm just hole hopping right now. Pretty sure we've punctured half of this lake at this point. So I have endless options to just keep moving around and try some holes that we haven't been at for a while and that might have settled or fish might have moved into. So yeah, here's hoping it generates a bite. On to the next set of holes. That far to walk. Oh, this wind. I tell ya. It's not very nice. Oh, she's slick. I'd like to hook into a giant pike right now. Let's try this. You can actually see what's happening. Okay, so these are going to be our last holes for our last hurrah. We're going to pack it in for the day right away here. But I will see you guys in a little while. I'm going to go through my new auger with you when I get home. And yeah, just fill you in on the wonders that are Jiffy. So here's hoping we get a last minute bite before we take off for the day. Alright guys, it is official. I am home from my day of fishing. I had some supper, I changed, I'm warm, all that good stuff. Like I had mentioned, I'm going to go through my latest purchase, which is a brand new auger. I obviously was in desperate need. My old Jiffy bit the dust, never to be seen again. So yeah, I had a pretty serious upgrade. I purchased the Jiffy 30XT power drill. It is awesome. It is super powerful. It has a high torque transmission. It's a 52cc motor, 2-cycle. Yeah, it is just a ton of power packed into, you know, a smaller, lighter design, which I appreciate so much. That old one, holy smokes, was it heavy. This new one, drill and flights and everything combined, is about 31 pounds. So it's not crazy to pack around in your sled. I'm going to give you guys a quick look at it. Like I said, it's, you know, super lightweight, which is just such a nice change. It's got this really great throttle on it. The last one was pretty janky. I was not a big fan. The choke is on top and is just like so much better built. The fuel bubble and everything, it's just, the whole design is such an improvement. Pulling this thing, getting it started, no problem at all. Another really great feature, which is an upgrade from previous designs, is this push pin to attach the motor to the flight. I had a bolt on the other one, and holy man, it was not very user-friendly. And then this really great clip-on cover for the blade. Something that I really like about the blade for this auger is it's got that spear tip on it, so it makes it really easy to align your holes. You can double drill a hole, you can drill through old holes. Yeah, it's just such a great design, such an improvement from my previous auger. Yeah, I cannot wait for next year's ice season to just, you know, shred the ice and you know, pop as many holes as I can. I drilled, I want to say probably 20 or 30 holes today. It was fun. I love this thing. I definitely recommend Jiffy products. Yeah, they have a lifetime customer from now on, that's for sure. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the new rig. It's pretty great. I definitely recommend it. And yeah, so that's going to be it for me. I'm just going to put this down. You know, who wants to hold on to that for no reason? Hi. That's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. This time for real. No, I'm just kidding. I'm probably going to try to get back out again, but if I don't, this could be my last video of the winter season. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to Goes to 11 Media for putting this on. Rick, you're awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you to Lucky Bug Lures for sponsoring the video, Getting Hooked Lures for sponsoring the video. We love you guys. We appreciate you. As you'll see in the video, or have seen in the video, you know, their products work. Just absolutely slated on both those companies' lures today. So yeah, make sure you guys go to their pages or to fishingandoutdoors.ca/.com if you are out of Canada and pick up some of that product for yourselves. I do believe we are still searching for 2 girls to join onto the project. So if you're interested or you know anyone who'd be interested, make sure you give Rick from Goes to 11 a shout. And yeah, we have some new blood coming on, so make sure you guys are watching these new girls' videos. I can't wait to see them personally. I'm super stoked that they are a part of the project now. Make sure you're checking out Nicole's videos on Friday. And yeah, thanks so much, you guys. I will see you next Tuesday.